sort of wrap up markets here, but we'll continue the conversation on the other side. I think we're going to end with a decent 50-odd point sort of gain on the Nifty. It's going to be about a quarter, just under 0.25% or so. A lot of action once again. Bank Nifty, no real follow through after last week's big move. Bank Nifty ends about 40 points higher, but that's flat for it. And of course, the small cap index also sees, actually there's unchanged, no change at all on the small cap index on your screen. Mid caps a little better. The mid cap index I think will end with small gains of about 0.25% or so. M&M did well as far as large caps are concerned. Before I throw it to Rima and Mangalam for broader market, Mahindra and Mahindra, Shriram Finance are some of the big sort of nifty gainers by the close today. You also had gains coming through in Power Grid, Grasim and Sun Pharma, which did really well. Guys.
The broader markets was definitely a day of the mid-cap index, even as the small-cap index was absolutely flat. We had, by the end of it all, with the tug-of-war, around 1,300 stocks advancing for about 1,150 stocks, which were declining. Among the top gainers in the F&O pack, we did have Astral, which was up around 5%. First Source did well on Friday's trading session, and then now it's up around 4% today as well, ending at the high point. Alembic was the other one. Cummins did well, and then we had a couple of these consumer discretionary names, Jubilant Foodworks, as well as Trent, which ended at the high point. Then the rally in real estate continues, so we did see some traction coming by in Godrej Properties, Brigade Enterprises, Prestige as well with the 5,000 crore QIP that they're planning. And holding companies definitely were the toast of today's trading session, with a bunch of them gaining. Bombay Burma leading the pack with a 20% upside. What we saw on the lower side was FACT, which was down 10%, RCF down 6.5%, PB Fintech, which was down about 4%. So there were a few stocks that did decline, but the advances were a lot more at the end of the day.
Absolutely, and I think consolidative kind of price action, but we're up once again. And actually, you just look at the last 5-6 trading sessions. It's been, I mean, they're all essentially, if you look at candles, they're all red candles, but they're all high. The markets continue to move higher at a gentler pace, but high nevertheless. So we're at 23,537 as of today's close. It's a wrap on this edition. A closing bell from all of us here. It's goodbye, but stay tuned. Markets Forward is coming up next, and Rima and I'll take that action forward. Stay tuned.